One body, one Lord, one God and Father of all. He who is united to the Lord becomes one spirit with him. There is a union that takes place, and not any power in the world can separate you from that moment on. You are then sent into the world to tell the eternal story, and you will tell it, as I am telling it, and you will tell it from experience. You will not be speculating. You will not be theorizing, trying to set up some workable philosophy of life, as all the little isms of the world, based upon theory, based upon what they think it ought to be in this world, not as it really is in eternity. So you will now be sent, and you may think, I am not educated. I am not qualified. I have no intellectual, social, financial, or any other background. You don't need any background. You will speak with the authority of the one who sent you, for you are the very one who sent you. He who sees me sees him who sent me. But you've never seen me. As you're told, the works that he granted me to accomplish, these very works which I am doing, bear witness that the Father has sent me. And the Father who sent me himself bears witness to me, but his words, his voice you have never heard. His form you have never seen, for had you seen his form, you would have seen me. Had you heard his voice, you would have heard me. You hear a mortal voice. You see a mortal frame, but you do not see me. If you saw me, you would see him. That's what he's saying. And the only one who saw was the state of consciousness called Peter. After he departs this world, those that I've just mentioned, in these states, they will see the truth of what I'm talking about. And you will know that not one person is greater than the other. We are all one. There is only God in the world.